Hello everyone, this is Debapriya Banerjee and today I am going to provide you with some basic flute lessons. So first of all I want to make something clear that to learn an instrument like flute you must visit a teacher. You need the guidance of a proper guru who can teach you in a face-to-face manner. Okay, so you may ask me that then what are you doing here? I would like to say in these videos, in such lockdown periods when you cannot go to your teacher or find teacher, okay, so I want to help you in virtual way. Okay, let's start. First of all, to learn flute, you have to buy a flute. Poonam flutes are very good in that case. I am not advertising for any brand. I am just suggesting. You may choose any flute from different company, but it must be tuned in proper tones. Okay. So I have a flute and the scale of this flute is A sharp or B flat. Okay. So this lesson is going to be only for the beginners. When a beginner, even when I was a beginner, I myself was a beginner and I tried to play a flute, I was failed because playing flute is not as easy as it seems to be. But if you have enough patience, then you can definitely learn it. So why is it not easy? Because whenever you are playing a string instrument, you are holding the chords and striking, you can get at least some sound. Whenever you are playing a key instrument, you are striking a key and the sound is emitting. But in case of flute, now I am habituated, I can make sounds from it, but when a beginner will blow here and close all of the holes, he or she may not get any sound at all. So if you don't get it, then don't be frustrated or don't think that I am never going to learn. At first, make it clear all holes should be open and you should blow from here. Okay, so I am repeating, all holes should be open and the blowing manner may vary from person to person. Okay, it may be different. Try to hold this hole in between your lips and then blow. If you can't get the sound, then try to adjust it, like revolving it. Okay, once you get the sound, then just close one of the hole, like I am going to close the first hole. Then the second hole gradually. If the sound after closing the first hole gets clear, only then proceed to the second hole. And if you think that the sound which is emitting is not clear enough, then don't proceed. Get back to the second, the previous hole. Okay, so at first today in that first lesson I am not going to tell you in which note I am playing. Later I will teach you about sa re ga ma and many more about that. Gradually, one by one, you will proceed and close the hole until you get the clear sound after all of the holes are being closed by all of your fingers, like this. Okay, so I think you have understood. If you have any doubt, then you may ask it in comment box, and I am begging you pardon because I am not expert in creating videos. I am creating it for the first time. So if this video is helpful for you anyhow, then don't forget to mention it at comment box, and positive criticism is also broadly welcomed by me. If you have any points or tips to make the video quality better or make something better, then you may also suggest it at comment box. Okay, then I will teach you the do re mi fa sol la ti do or sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa in my very next video. Okay, so bye bye.